janmit jong ka khatwei tarik urisau ar hajar arpusan ha kapor kumba hanyo baji janmit layo jingtip badon kibriu ki balawan bu ia ka wei ka playong kabala suba badon ubom haga plawing jong ba nelang lungdo u MLA barim jong jela bat kane ka ying kadon Umsning Ri Bhoi district kane ka jingwan bu kibriu ya kane ka pla ka penhel serniu ya ki pajba kamtam ya ki to ki badon marjan barkate ka building kibor pulit mas nyo jingtip halor kane kila simkhia mardor ban pentip ya ki bom squad na shillong bat kumjur ya ki wei ki he pulit ha ka bakila poi mardor ha ka te ka jaka na ka banta ban tokit halor ka jinglap ya kane ka playong ha ka jing tokit ka blasim bunpor ki bom squad ki lap ya ki te ki bom ki bade ki bom IED na ka leng ki bom squad ki la le ya ka badon kam ban plip no ya ki te ki bom khnang ba ka nom don ka no ka jingjia ka bas ngosi ha bakren shakilat pathai khobor na ka leng OSP ka Ri Bhoi u VS Rathor u la ong ba ki te ki bom ki balawan bu ha ka te ka jaka ki de ki bom IED u la thu ro bana ka leng ki pulit ki la yo Ksai ya ki briu ki badon kti ha ka te ka kam ha ka ba Shen na ka leng ki pulit kin sakem ya ki te ki briu ki badon kti ha ka te ka kam
7:30 p.m. we got an information that there is an abandoned bag lying in one of the buildings in the Umsning market. So based on that information, we immediately rushed the team. The bomb disposal squad came from Shillong. The K9 squad also came. And after taking all the precautions as per SOP, we found out that there was an IED, most probably using gelatin as explosives and electric detonators. So it was diffused successfully by our BDDS team, and we have seized all the materials and investigation is going on. We have a suspect. We are trying to arrest him as quickly as possible.
So right now, sir, which means no arrests have been made so far.
Not yet, but it is highly likely that we'll pick him tonight.
Sir, since as we can like hear that this is a house of one of the well-known in Umsning area and Ri Bhoi district also.
Yes, yes.
So, according to your is there any suspects or something, sir? Like
Of course,
why this proposal has been?
it's too early to comment upon that. What was the motive behind doing all this? But we have a suspect. We're trying to pick him up. It can happen anytime soon. So we are on it.